What happens if you release a buggy update to 2 million users? You can't SSH into their phones, you can't instantly revert the binary, you depend on the App Store. That's why mobile DevOps is different from back-end DevOps. Let's talk about continuous integration. Every code push should trigger automation. The flow developer push CI server triggers, run tests, static analysis, build app, report result. If these tests fail, build blocked. At scale, CI prevents broken main branch, unstable releases, integration chaos. Mobile CI must handle multiple build flavors, different environments, and signing configurations. Operating system fragmentation. CI is your safety net. Automated testing strategy. Manual QA doesn't scale. A mature mobile pipeline includes unit tests, fast and isolated, and logic validation, and integration tests, API database repository testing, and UI tests, critical flows, login, checkout, payment, onboarding, device testing, different operating system versions, screen sizes, manufacturers. Without automation, release speed slows dramatically. Continuous delivery. After continuous integration passes, app is signed automatically. Version code incremented, build, artifact generated, uploaded to internal testing track. No manual build steps. Automation ensures consistency, reproducibility, reduced human error. Signing keys must be securely stored in CI secrets. Never sign builds manually in production pipelines. Staged rollout strategy. Releasing to 100% of users immediately is dangerous. Instead, 5% monitor, 20% monitor, 50% monitor, and 100% full rollout. If crash rate spikes, stop rollout immediately. This reduces impact radius. At scale, every release is an experiment. Monitoring after release. Deployment is not the end, it's the beginning. You must monitor crash rate, Android not responding rate, memory spikes, startup time, API error rate. For example, 99.8% crash-free sessions. If metric drops, alert triggered. Mobile DevOps requires observability. Without monitoring, staged rollout is meaningless. Rollback strategy. Mobile rollback is harder than backend. You cannot instantly delete an installed version. The strategies: stop rollout, prevent new installs of broken version, feature flag disable, turn off problematic feature remotely, kill switch, disable specific flows from backend, and hotfix release new patch build. Architect must design rollback before release. If rollback plan doesn't exist, you are not production ready. Feature flags and remote configuration. Feature flags allow gradual feature release, A/B testing, instant feature disable, beta experiments. The Flow app will fetches remote configuration, feature enable or disabled, UI adapts. This is critical in fintech, e-commerce, and super apps. Feature flag decouple deployment from release. You can deploy code today and activate next week. Over-the-air updates. OTA allows updating logic without full store release. It is used in hybrid frameworks, enterprise apps, but limited, cannot change native code freely. Store policies restrict usage. Security concerns. OTA is useful, but not a replacement for proper release strategy. Multi-environment strategy. Serious mobile system use dev, staging, pre-production, production. Each environment has separate APIs, separate configurations, and separate signing keys, and separate analytics projects. Never connect staging build to production backend. Environment isolation is critical. Scaling challenges. At scale, multiple app versions are active simultaneously. All the clients still hit APIs. Deep links may change. Backend must support backward compatibility. Architect must version APIs, version deep links, maintain compatibility contracts. Mobile ecosystem evolves slower than backend. You must design for coexistence. Let's take a fintech example. If you release a banking app update, for example, new transfer feature contain bugs. The flow 5% rollout crash spike detected, rollout stopped at 12%, feature disabled via remote configuration, and hotfix build prepared. Impact minimized. Without DevOps maturity, millions affected, rating drop, trust damaged. Architect mindset. When designing a mobile CICD system, ask yourself, what happens if this build crashes only on Android 13? What if signing key leaks? What if API version mismatch? What if rollback is needed at midnight? What if monitoring fails to detect issues? Shipping safely is architecture. Mobile DevOps at scale requires automated continuous integration, strong testing strategy, secure build signing, staged rollout, monitoring and alerting, feature flags, clear rollback plan. Thanks for watching and see you next video.